be a good turnout. When I showed up this morning and seen the huge lineups, that was really put it in perspective.
Come down here, grab some gear. All the vendors here are amazing. If you need some old parts for some of the old vintage stuff that you ride, you've got that.
Good job, Rick!